Expanding double brackets in algebraic expressions, Model 2. In this video, you are going to learn how to expand double brackets in algebraic expressions. Let's see an example. 2p minus 3 whole squared. It can also be written as 2p minus 3 times 2p minus 3. The expression inside both the brackets is 2p minus 3. To simplify expressions like this, you need to follow a simple method called FOIL, first outside inside last. This method works only when there are only two terms on each bracket. Let's first take the f first. It means, multiply the first term in each bracket together. It will be 2p times 2p, which equals 4p squared. Next, let's move to o, outside, which means multiply the outside terms, first term in first bracket by second term in second bracket. It will be 2p times minus 3, which equals minus 6p. Next, let's move to I, inside. It means multiply the inside terms, second term in first bracket by first term in second bracket. It will be minus 3 times 2p, which equals minus 6p. Finally, let's move to L, last. It means multiply the second term in each bracket together. It will be minus 3 times minus 3, which equals 9. Now, let's write all the terms together. 4p squared minus 6p minus 6p plus 9. Here, if we combine the like terms, minus 6p minus 6p, it will be minus 12p. The simplified expression of 2p minus 3 whole squared equals 4p squared minus 12p plus 9.